Hi, this is HK Systems. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to replace the ink roller. Important note, the following video is intended for both the 1-line and 2-line Preiska models. Open the ink roll cover by pulling upwards. Notice the clasp that holds the ink roller in place. With the press gun facing upwards, push down to remove the ink roller from the clasp. With your new ink roller that's included in your box, insert it by pushing upwards into the clasp. You may close the ink roll cover. As you can see, the ink roller replacement was successful. Thank you for choosing HK Systems. Give us a contact if you need any help.